Guys, so welcome back to the Stacking Up channel. So guys, today we're going to majorly I'm guiding you to how we can install the Predator OS. The Predator OS majorly focused on Linux distro and is also used by pentester, ethical hacker, cybersecurity researcher, and we can also day as a working professional, the tools that we're going to use are preloaded with network analysis tools, digital forensics tools, vulnerability assessment tools, and many more. Let's just dive in into the installation setup. But before that, you have to go to the Google, just type Predator OS. And over there, the first link, you'll get the first link. Just go and download the Predator OS. As you can go down, you can see there are a bunch of tools that you're going to use as per your scope. Uh, so second, we'll go to the downloads. From here, you can download the operating system as per your need. You also want Nodix, or if you want the pre-configured one, you can also download the pre-configured as well. So I will not download it because I already downloaded the operating system. So I will directly dive in into the guide and I will help you how we're gonna install the step for installation of Predator OS. So now we directly go to our VMware workstation, create a new virtual machine, select typical, and majorly it's better if you can also install the disk, give the disk in the start, or you can also install the disk later on. It's up to completely your choice. I select my operating system. I select it. It's better to select Linux 64-bit. After that, go and give the name for your operating system. I'll select the storage machine. Storage. Already they have folder made for the Predator. Next. It's up to you. I'm giving 100 GB because I'm gonna also work in future. More videos gonna come on this particular operating system. I'll do the minimum configuration. This configuration only focus based on your PC configuration. So to close, finish. So one more thing, let's configure our Predator operating system. So here we are live. So let's dive in. So it will take some time to install. Just wait and let it install. I think it has been installed. So once it's installed, it will ask for the default username and password. So where we can get the username and password, we'll go on the same website. And if you scroll down here, we can see we have a default password for the OS. Once we install, we will have the right to change everything. Okay, so by default, the default username is user, the password must be user. Let's check user. So yes, we are in. Okay, so we get the access to the Predator. Okay, cool. As you can see, I genuinely like the UI. It's really a good UI. And as per you can see for the terminal, it's quite good. Check something. Predator OS is installed. We'll also in future we'll also see a lot of videos on Predator exploring the Predator operating system. Before that, we will just go through and check. As you can see here, we have a lot of tools for as per the our scopes. For example, we have tool for defensive. We also have tool for offensive. For example, like bug bounty, like OSN framework, like CTF, cybersecurity engine, pen testing, access remote tools, security editing, keylogger tools, and vulnerability assessment tools. So this one of the good operating system so far. So I will gonna explore this operating system and also make more videos on this. So just like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and just click on the bell notification. In future, I'm going to work making more videos on this operating system, exploring about the tools, the functionality, the feature of this operating system. So our video ends here, and in the description I have given the link for the Predator operating system, as well as I've also shared the link of our Insta handle. You can go and you can check out on our Instagram. We are posting a lot of content about the cybersecurity, about the tools as well.